Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Mimu device. First, carefully unbox your new Mimu and confirm all components are present, including the main unit, power supply, and any cables. Next, connect the power adapter to the Mimu and then to a wall outlet. Make sure your internet connection is reliable, as this is crucial for the next steps. We will cover everything from initial power-up to final configuration, ensuring a smooth experience. Now, let's focus on getting your Mimu powered on and connected. Insert the power cable securely into the Mimu's power port and then into a functioning electrical outlet. If your Mimu requires external displays or accessories, connect those cables now, such as an HDMI cable to your monitor or a USB cable for a keyboard. Once powered, observe the indicator light. It should turn a solid color, typically green or blue, indicating it is ready for the next stage. Next, we will get your Mimu connected to your home network. Navigate to the network settings within the Mimu's interface. Here, you can choose your Wi-Fi network from the list of available options. Carefully enter your Wi-Fi password to establish the connection. For a more stable and often faster connection, you might consider plugging an Ethernet cable directly from your router into the Mimu's network port. This ensures optimal performance for streaming or data transfer. Finally, let's complete the software setup and personalize your Mimu. The device will likely guide you through some initial software configurations. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. It is highly recommended to check for and install any available firmware or system updates right away to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. After updates, take a moment to customize settings like language, time zone, and display preferences to make your Mimu truly yours. Enjoy your new device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.